Hi, it's Dr. Bunny Vreeland again. And you know, last time that I was talking about HypnoThoughts live 2019 in Las Vegas, Nevada, I talked to my crystal ball and I asked the crystal ball who was going to be there. And it kind of disappointed me because it gave me a few names, but not that many names. So crystal ball, I'm just a little disappointed in you. So I'm going to switch over to my magic lamp.
I'm so sorry.
Well, I think you should be. So unless you have a list of more people, I'm going to switch over to my magic lamp. Do you have any more people?
No.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your help. And I'm now going to switch over to the magic lamp. So this is my beautiful magic lamp that I got when I was in Dubai. I don't have a name for it, but I'm going to ask it, who else is going to be at HypnoThoughts 2019 in Las Vegas in a couple weeks? I think it starts in 2 weeks, and I'm going to be there. I want to see who else is going to be there because I want to interview you if you're going to be there. So will you tell me who's going to be there?
But of course, Shelley Stockwell.
Oh, Shelley, one of my very dearest, favorite people in the world.
How could anyone forget Shelley Stockwell?
Never, never.
Cheryl Elman.
Oh, yeah, Cheryl and Larry.
Larry Elman.
Yeah, big names.
Roger Moore.
Oh, I love Roger. He's such a sweet man.
Tom Nicolai.
Yes, he's got a fascinating story.
And of course you, darling Dr. Bunny, on Sunday, August 18th at 3:30.
That's right. I'll be there too on Sunday at 3:30 at HypnoThoughts Live 2019 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I hope to see you there. And if you're going to be one of the speakers, please look me up. I want to interview you. It's Dr. Bunny Vreeland.